Before data synchronization can start, we need to set up 5 basic pieces of information which are only required for data synchronization and have no use anywhere else in the system. The first of these is to create a facility. So I open the facilities form and I'm just going to create a facility which I'm going to call T2. I'm going to give it a time zone. I don't care what it is. I just need to create it and remember what I've called it. The next thing I need to do is to create a payroll schedule. I'm going to call it T2. I'm going to link it to the T2 facility I just created, and I'm going to give it a payroll generation of weekly. Again, it doesn't matter. The important thing is it has been created. Next, I need to create an employee type. Again, it doesn't matter what I call it. I'm just going to call it T2 again. I'm going to give it a payroll ID of T2 and I'm going to save it. Next, I need to create a department. I'm just going to call it T2. I don't care what it, and I'm going to link it to facility T2. And finally, I need to create a shift. I really should create a shift for each of the schedules that we've created. But for now, I'm just going to create a single shift, which I'm going to call T2. Logical midnight, I don't care what it is. Again, none of this information is relevant. I just have to create the shift as T2. So once I've created all this base data, we are ready for a data synchronization to start.